Salute, 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 LashawnTerry gang. It is Tuesday. I'm about to break my fast and eat and watch this versus battle and jam out with Ja Rule and Fat Joe. I really just want to see Fat Joe. It's 6 o'clock. I got 4.5 chicken wings here, and I made a mild hot wing sauce with this some butter and some sriracha sauce. Here I just put like 2 tablespoonfuls and just mixed it up. Put it in the air fryer. I did season it up and put a little bit of avocado oil over it just so it can have like that, it can fry type deal. Yeah, and I'm about to eat. And later on, I'm going to have a ribeye for dinner. And that'll be it. I did my workout today. I did upper body. I did shoulders and triceps today. And I went to the track and did like a 30-minute sprint workout. So I'm just sitting down eating. My body is still trying to cool off. Yesterday was kind of like a wrap. I didn't do anything. I did that flush and it did nothing. I do want to say it did one thing, and that was clear out my stomach. I only went to the bathroom twice. I think I peed like 3-4 times within a 4-hour span. But other than that, I didn't drop no weight. It actually put more water weight on me. So yeah, I won't be doing that again. But that was the only benefit, was that it really cleaned out my, my system for what little bit was in there, that the what they call it, the smooth move, didn't get, but it wasn't a whole lot, mostly because I'm on a meat-based diet. There's not much to really flush out. But yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna eat my food. I already said my prayers, and I'm gonna hop on this Instagram to see what this verses is talking about, and I'll see y'all later. Well, I'm back. It is 9:53. I watched the Ja Rule Fat Joe versus, which was dope. Ate my chicken wings. Got in the shower. Went and cooked up my steak. This is a ribeye with a little bit of Primal Kitchen steak, sugar-free steak sauce. Really good. This is a little under a pound, just a little slight under a pound, about 15 point something ounces, but it's all good. But I'm gonna eat this, sit up for a bit, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So today has been a good day. I got my workouts in, eating on schedule, the foods I'm supposed to eat, and let's just keep moving. So I'll show y'all my macros after this, and peace out. Salute, salute. LashawnTerry gang, what's up? It's Wednesday, and it's 6:56 p.m. These are lamb cubes, and they've been in the crock pot since about 1:30 this afternoon. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out of here and pan sear them to get a nice crisp on them. You can also drink this broth as well, the meat broth. You don't have to throw it away. It's still good. Some people do bone broth. Some people even make their own bone broth where they go by the beef bones or whatever it is, chicken bones, whole chicken, whatever. But you can eat that broth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off and put it in my pot, get my pot hot on the stove, and I'll be back. So this is my pot. I put about 2 teaspoons of bacon fat grease in here. When you cook with bacon, save your grease. If you cook with bacon, save your grease and put it in a container. This is a glass container, and put it in the refrigerator. This is less fat Then if you use butter or any kind of oil like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil, for 1 teaspoon of bacon grease, it's only 39 calories and 4.2 grams of fat. With butter and the olive oil, olive oil, avocado oil, I believe those are about 100 to 110 calories. Yeah, this one is for 1 tablespoon, it's 130 calories and 14 grams of fat. So as you can see, it's a big difference, especially on days where, and this is Chosen Foods, this is the avocado oil I use. I don't have the extra virgin olive oil that I use because I haven't used it in so long. This has been my choice because I could do mostly what I was doing with the extra virgin olive oil. I was sauteing and cooking with it. But this has a higher burn point than extra virgin olive oil do. So I just use the avocado oil. But if you want to use extra virgin olive oil, I believe it's called California something. I've used it in past cooking videos. If you go back like a year or so, you may see it in one of my videos. But I always show what I cook with or what seasonings I use if you want to try them. And you can get that olive oil from, it's an extra virgin olive oil. And you could get it pretty much from anywhere, from Walmart to Target to Sprouts to Whole Foods. And I use that olive oil because years ago when I was loose natural, I read a study on olive oils and how it's crooked. And somebody had did a third-party testing on a bunch of olive oil companies, and probably like 99% of them was either fake olive oil or they cut the olive oil with cheaper oils like vegetable oils and canola oil. So that's why I'm very careful when it comes to certain oils I buy. You can never be too sure, but it's a way that you can tell. You can test to see if it's a pure olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And what you do, before I get this wrong, I believe if you take like a teaspoon of it and you just swallow it, if it don't burn going down, then it's cut. It's not pure. I believe that's the way it goes. So that's the extra virgin olive oil I'll use for years. If I can remember when I'm food shopping tomorrow or this week, I will definitely show y'all the extra virgin olive oil. I'll take a picture of it, and I'll try to take a picture with some of the things that I use that I may not just have right now, or I just moved on from, whatever the case may be. I'll show you. And here it goes in the pan. And I'm kind of just going to let it, let the pieces sit here and kind of brown on each side. So this is my lamb. I was going to do like 8 ounces, but when I saw how they shrunk up, my word, it'd probably be like 3 pieces. So I'm going to just do this whole bowl. This is a pound of lamb cubes. So I'm going to just do this whole bowl. Drink the rest of my electrolyte water. This whole bottle was filled up, so it's 30.4 ounces. I prepare my electrolyte water in the morning or whenever I get up, and I put my water. I fill up this bottle or my water bottle, put my electrolytes in it, and shake it up and put it in the freezer. Because y'all know it's hot, and if I go outside, this is going to be melted in like 10 minutes or less. So, yeah, I put it in the freezer. And when I get ready to do my workout and head out the door, I snatch it out the freezer, break up the ice, shake it up, and it's good to go. So I'll be back with dinner. I did go out for a bike ride today. That was all I did today. I did push myself to go a little bit further, but it was getting late when I get out and the bugs was acting crazy out there. So I was like, let me just get my butt back home so I could go cook and eat and sit down. So here I am. So I'll see y'all later. Y'all, these lamb cubes are so good and tender. And they are seasoned perfectly. I did the thing on these, y'all. Very good. Very good. Y'all better get on it.